Hey guys, Chris from Pro Beast Audio Installation, and today we're doing a quick unboxing of this Crux Solutions wiring harness kit made specifically for Toyota and Lexus models. This one is special because it retains the factory JBL and JBL synthesis amplifiers. Let's go ahead and get this pulled out and show you everything that it includes. This video is sponsored by Crux Interfacing Solutions, an excellent location for radio replacements, camera interfaces, and more. Check out cruxinterfacing.com to start planning your next install today. On the back here, which we can also post in the description, shows you what vehicles it fits, ranging from 2003 models all the way up to some 2019 models. Now this obviously will change as models continue, so go ahead and check out cruxinterfacing.com to see other applications that this will work with. First of all, you have your instructions here. Now always check these out because it could have some important tech notes depending on your make and model, whatever you're applying this to. We have our main wiring harness here. Now it looks like a lot, but it also applies to multiple vehicles. So depending on what features you're trying to retain and what factory components that your vehicle has, you may use some of these harnesses, you may not. Now in the box they supply you one version of the wiring harness as well as a secondary version. Again, depending on your make and model, you'll use one or the other. Now additionally here, if you're trying to retain the factory backup camera, if you're equipped with it, it comes with that harness to do so. Then you also have other secondary harnesses here, whether it's for steering wheel controls, depending on the make and model. You also have the main brain box here. You can't lose this. It has dip switches on the side so you can indicate what radio you're using as well as what vehicle this is going into. Now here in the instructions, talks about your product features up here and everything it includes. Again, we'll post in the description most of this information here and we'll link it for you. But also shows you everything that the box includes as well. Has important installation steps here. On the next page here, it shows you what wire goes where, what harness that you should use. Talks about how the switches work. Talks about what switches go where depending on what model radio, what vehicle you're using as well. Continues on the backhand side as well in case you have questions about, steering wheel control functionality. Finally here, once again, it does display what makes and models this works with. If you want to see this harness in action, we're actually installing this on a 2003 Toyota 4Runner. We'll post in the description a link to that video which shows you helpful information on how to solder these harnesses up and how to install them on a Toyota. Thanks guys for watching. We appreciate the support. If you want other helpful videos on how to wire up a harness, we have one which we'll link in a card up above. Be sure to like the video, subscribe, and we will see you in the next video.